Hello guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can enable cloud in Steam. So guys, if you're trying to enable cloud but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So enabling clouds helps you back up your data, so it's really important that you do it. So if you can't find the option to enable it, then this video is for you. So guys, the first step is to just open your Steam app and make sure you're logged into it. And after you do that, you just need to open settings. The shortcut to opening settings is just command and comma. Oh guys, there you go, you have successfully opened your Steam settings. And after that, all you need to do is just find cloud, so it should be right between storage and in-game. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you can see options like enable Steam Cloud and screenshot management. So guys, if you have turned this button on, then you have already enabled Steam Cloud, but if it's turned off like this, then just tap on it and turn it on. And guys, there you go, that's how you enable Steam Cloud in Steam. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.